Hey, I'm Dave from Drip Easy, and I want to quickly show you how the Q Crib assembles. I just pulled it out of its packaging. I removed the shrink wrap that secures it in the packaging. On the top, we've got the solid bamboo cutting board that acts as the shelf once the box is assembled. These right here are the feet, so once we assemble the box, we'll turn it up on its feet. So start with the short side, and then the door side. This is a removable spacer that's designed just to hold the Q Crib tight when it's in shipping, so you don't need that. The rear panel here, which ends up being the top when the box is built, each corner I press together very carefully and you'll hear a really audible pop. Just like that. This is the bottom panel. Same thing, each corner. Now the box is assembled, so I'll put it up on its feet. Just like that. Take the bamboo shelf, slide it right into its slot. So now you've got that in there for prep tubs and food trays. And then the door closes along those hinges, just like that. That's the Q Crib, our dedicated meat resting station. Really easy to use.